Oh, no? Kaya? It's here. It's here. Yeah, you got it. You got that watch. It's a great one. It's shiny. It's shiny. And it's fun to play with. But sometimes, sometimes you get up on your back. Sometimes Mommy takes it and she puts it over here. Look where it is. Look where it is. It's all the way over there. In your back? Yeah, all the way back here. Oh, oh, good one. Yeah. No? Where are you going with it? Are you going to take it to the store? Are you going to take it to the watchmaker? Uh-oh, uh-oh, it's gone, it's gone. You better go get it. Better go catch it. Very well done. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.